Hi, thanks for tuning in to SteamboatsMyHome.com video blog. This month's video blog is going to be on HOA fees. So what are HOA fees? Well, when you buy a home, not only do you have a mortgage, you have insurance, you have taxes to pay for, but you have a lot of other things that you don't really think about, such as garbage, heating, water, sewer, things like that. So all these little things add up to cost of home ownership. So a lot of times when people come to Steamboat and they look at buying a condominium or a townhome, and maybe they want to live in a townhome versus a single family home, well then they realize that the HOA fees, the homeowner's dues fees, are pretty high. But in reality, a lot of times they're not. Yeah, you can get really high HOA fees if you have a pool and if you have tennis courts and you have a lot of maintenance like that. But I'm going to take a look, I'm going to dissect a townhome and kind of versus a single family home here in Steamboat Springs, and I'll show you that HOA fees are actually pretty reasonable, and sometimes they're actually not bad at all. So I'm looking at a house that's about $500,000 and a townhome that's about $500,000. So if you're going to pay HOA dues include many of these things that you're going to pay for anyways, like water, garbage, insurance, amenities, snow removal, etc. Yes, I know a lot of you will do your own snow removal, but if you wanted to be lazy, let's just include this in the HOA. So if you own a private residence, you're going to pay about $32 a month for water, $48 a month for garbage. Insurance, in case your house burns down, is going to be about $41 a month. Yes, you will have to pay content insurance, but that's really cheap. Building maintenance to replace a gutter, sprinkler head, I'm going to throw in about $400 a year, divided by 12, comes to $33 a month. Hot tub, yes, I know everybody doesn't have a hot tub, but let's say this townhome does have a hot tub, but if you had a private hot tub, it'd be about $45 a month for electricity. Snow removal, it's snowy about 4 months a year. You're going to snow blow about 7.5 times per month times $20 an hour. It's going to take you an hour, so that's going to be about $600 divided by 12, averages out to $50 a month. Same with landscaping. You don't have to mow your lawn. You don't have to do any of these things because it's taken care of in this the HOA. But if you were to do it yourself, you're worth about $20 an hour, and that's about $50 a month. Capital reserve, at times you're going to have to put on a new roof or stain your deck. So I'm going to allocate $8,000 every 10 years, okay? And that's capital reserve. So if you own this townhome, that's going to be paid for when it needs to be done. So I'm going to put $66 a month. Total $365 if you owned a $500,000 primary residence, including some other things. Anyways, this HOA, it's $345 a month. So it kind of washes out evenly. So everybody thinks HOAs are bad, but the dues aren't too bad. Thanks for tuning in to SteamboatsMyHome.com video blog, and we will see you next month.